Phillips, lledu'r chwarae at Pen, ond Beaumont yn gweld honna. Chwilio am rediad. Clark, pas hyfryd gan Beaumont. Clark chwilio am gymorth. Arbediad yn ei postyn agosa gan Lewis Dutton. Rhys Cafana ar ergyd. Gwaith da lawr y dde gan y Fflint. Bale yn disgyn i Cafana. A Lewis Dutton yn effro'n y gol. James Owen sefyll dros y Bale. Chwilio am Uchafbwyntiau. Uchafbwyntiau yn ennill y peniad. Nôl mae'n dod. Cornish. Diaw wedi gadael hi. Ac Zach Clark yn ffeindio cefn y rwyd. 5 munud ar y cloc. Gwaith da gan Brandon Diaw i adael y Bale i fynd. A Zach Clark, wel, sgori ei chwechad gol yn dim ond ei 5ed gem i'r Fflint. Palmer a'i droed chwith, ac i gornel isa rwyd gan Joe Palmer. Dyna chi gig cryf gan Palmer i ddod ar ymwelwyr yn gyfartal. Thomason sy'n dianc efo'r Bale, chwilio am Davies. Bale yn cyrraedd, Adam Davies. O, dyna chi ergyd gan Adam Davies, oddi ar y trawst. Mi ddisgynodd y Bale iddo fo, a mi gododd o y Bale dros ben Harry Allen, oddi ar y trawst. Owen, allan mae'n dod i Carroll. Yr ôl beniad i'r gefn y rwyd gan Danny Harrison. Y croesiad gan Jordan Carroll. A Harrison efo'r ôl beniad dros ben pawb. James Owen i'r canol at Clark, a peniad Clark oddi ar y trawst. 6 llath allan, gol o'i blaen. Ddylia Zach Clark di wneud y well yma na, a dwi'n meddwl bod o'n gwybod hynna. Palmer yn chwipio honna tuag at Thomason, a mae'n disgyn i dyn, ac sut ar wyneb y ddaear di honna ddim yn gefn y rwyd. Loi dyn, rhyw 5 llath allan.
No, it wasn't easy. We knew it was always going to be difficult. Obviously, they lost the previous manager, and the manager wasn't here today for personal reasons off the club's their club side. So we knew they'd have a reaction. They could have probably nicked a draw, to be honest with you. We've had a few chances. They've had a couple of chances at the end as well. But it doesn't matter if you win 7-1 like Aber did last week or 2-1 today. It's 3 points. That's all we need.
Disappointing. I felt that we were in the game for all of it, really. Maybe a 20-minute period in the second half where they were on top, and obviously they scored their second. But after that, I felt that we created a lot of chances to get a point from the game at the end.
The first 2 minutes and the last 2 minutes, you looked really lively and looked as if you could get something there.
Yeah, I think it's probably the most chances we've created in this game for the whole season, really. The amount of entries we put in the box and chances at the end that we should have scored just didn't go away.
Do you know what? It's always nice to score. Of course it is. I think the feeling, the overriding feeling was today was just a win that was paramount. It was nice that I got it. If you look at like last game, Jay Owen got a vital equaliser for us. I think we'll take whatever we can get at the minute, whoever scores. Performance wasn't great today. It wasn't a game for the purists, but it was a vital win for us.